Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers Cheap Charlottetown local and long-distance movers near me. Getting the best cheap Charlottetown moving company seems impossible sometimes. With 3Movers, you get high-quality moving services at affordable prices. We offer all types of local and long-distance moving options to help you relocate. If you're ready to handle a long-distance move, consider the options we offer: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. You can enjoy an easier relocation with our help. When you hire our long-distance movers, you won't have to worry about nearly as much. We make moving 100 miles or further away much easier for you. While local moves don't cover the same distance, they still require a ton of work. Hiring a Canada moving company is a smart move. You'll get to skip the heavy lifting and you won't have to worry about all the hard work. 3Movers offers the local moving services you need. We know how to streamline the process to ensure you get to your new location faster and with less stress. Let us take your move and make it happen in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Charlottetown moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.